Hey everybody, Rob Sower here with Sower Real Estate at Keller Williams Realty in Boise. Hope you guys are off to a nice spring as the weather kind of changes a little bit and we roll into really the busier time of the real estate season. Um, I'm just going to jump right in here. So obviously you guys see the chart of the market dynamics down below in the email newsletter, and there's a couple of things that I think are kind of interesting right now that we see going on. One of them is not inventory, because that is basically the same. Well, it's exactly the same. It's a zero point 0.7 months of inventory, so there's really no change there at all. Um, the active listings only went up by 30 from 504 to 534, so that's basically flat as well, so there's really no change there. And the sold listings, let's see, we're up 0.23%. So again, that's pretty flat as well. The average home sale price only went up 0.2%. Now, to keep that into, or to put that into some sort of context, last year, if you can see right there, for 2018, it was almost 17%, so 16.9%. Now, obviously, that's over 1% a month, so a 0.2% increase, actually 0.18, for 1 month as we're going into spring. What that tells me is that prices hopefully will start to stabilize, and I know that's been a concern for a lot of people. As we look at the market, a lot of buyers are just nervous about pricing and this whole thing about the 7-year cycle of price appreciation, blah, 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 which that's something that I'm happy to talk with anyone about further, as you kind of think about the market, whether or not it's a good time for you to buy or sell. That's something to talk about. I would expect that this year we're not going to see that much appreciation, like the 17%, which is good because that's not sustainable, to be honest. The other thing I wanted to touch on is that we do have people that are concerned about putting their house on the market. Now, we have some listings coming up, some in Harris Ranch and Southeast Boise and other locations, and I want to just kind of let people know that if you're concerned about listing your home or selling, moving, all that kind of stuff, give us a call, because there's ways around it. And I'm not saying that those ways will fit for you. It may be something that is just not the right time for you. However, a lot of times there are things that we can talk about that will help people, and they're just not thinking about them because we do this every day. So it's just what we do. I think the other thing is to just say to not be scared, because like I say, we're seeing more listings coming up on the market. We have some that we're starting to work on to get ready that are launching, and who knows, some of those might be a good fit for you. So anyway, I think that's about it. I'll just kind of wrap it up there. Give us a call if you're thinking about the market in general, what it could mean for you, and whether or not it's a good time for you to make a move. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.